I didn't even realize what this was until after I paid for it. I thought it was an HF watt meter. Anyway, it was very random. There was a Motorola microphone next to it. I looked all over the store to see if there was anything else ham related. I found absolutely nothing except for a Heathkit meter to monitor your line voltage. You plug it in the wall and it just monitors it. Which wasn't in good shape, so I didn't buy it. But yeah, I don't know, $5, $5.49. I didn't buy enough stuff to even get a discount. Bought that, and I bought a $3 power strip. And I like these because plastic power strips, if something goes wrong, they can catch on fire and they can burn your house down. You really should always look for metal ones. Plus, you can open these up and replace the outlets. You can't do that on the plastic ones. So I got that, and I got this 2 meter 440. It says it actually goes from 125 to 525, so it should cover 220. I couldn't find a power supply in the store anywhere because it uses the big pin, but I've got one at home, so that's a pretty cool find for sure. I mean, like, very random. You see some ham stuff every once in a while, but like, I mean, like, you're not going to find like an HF radio. Not that I'm aware of. I don't know anybody that has. Maybe one person that might have, but I've never been lucky enough to get an HF radio at a thrift store. I've seen some 80s 2 meter radios, and they were all like $50 a piece, you know, missing microphones. I see a lot of marine walkie-talkies. I think it's people from California off the coast. They move here and then they get rid of their marine radios, I guess. Anyway, that's the thrift report for the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Stay safe.